Are you starting your mornings on the wrong foot? It's a question many of us, especially as we get older, don't even think to ask. We get into routines, and we stick with them. But what if I told you that some of the most common morning habits, things millions of seniors do every single day, could actually be setting you up for a less healthy, less energetic day? It sounds surprising, right? But today, we're going to pull back the curtain on these seemingly harmless habits. We'll explore why they might be silently sabotaging your health, and more importantly, what you can do instead. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have simple, powerful strategies to transform your mornings and supercharge your entire day. Let's get started. First up, hitting the snooze button. Oh, it feels so good in the moment, doesn't it? It's just 5 more minutes. But that little button might be a bigger problem than you think. When your alarm first goes off, your body starts a process to wake up. It releases hormones like cortisol to get you going. But when you hit snooze and drift back to sleep, you interrupt that process. This can lead to something called sleep inertia, that groggy, foggy-headed feeling that can last for hours. It makes it harder to think clearly and can leave you feeling tired all morning. Instead of snoozing, try this. Place your alarm clock across the room. It forces you to physically get out of bed to turn it off. Once you're up, you're much more likely to stay up and start your day feeling alert. Next, let's talk about what happens immediately after you get out of bed. Many people have a habit of getting up too quickly. You've been lying down for hours, and your blood pressure is naturally lower. If you suddenly jump to your feet, your blood pressure can't always adjust fast enough. This can cause a sudden drop, leading to dizziness, lightheadedness, or even a fall, which is a serious risk for seniors. This is a condition known as orthostatic hypotension. The solution is simple. Wake up in stages. Before you stand up, sit on the edge of your bed for a minute. Wiggle your toes, rotate your ankles. This gives your body and your blood pressure a moment to adjust to the change in posture, ensuring a safer and more stable start to your day. Now, what's the first thing you reach for in the morning? For so many of us, it's our smartphone. We scroll through news, check emails, browse social media, but this habit can flood your brain with information and stress before you even had a chance to fully wake up. You reacting to the world's demands instead of proactively setting your own tone for the day? This can trigger anxiety and leave you feeling overwhelmed from the get-go. Here is a powerful alternative. Practice a no phone for the first 30 minutes rule. Use that time for something that nourishes your mind. Maybe it's a few minutes of quiet meditation, gentle stretching, or simply looking out the window and enjoying the morning light. Give yourself the gift of a peaceful start, free from digital distraction. Let's move into the kitchen, the classic morning ritual. A cup of coffee on an empty stomach. While many of us can't imagine a morning without it, drinking coffee first thing can be harsh on your digestive system. Coffee is acidic, and it stimulates the production of stomach acid. On an empty stomach, this can lead to indigestion, heartburn, and discomfort. Plus, the caffeine spike can cause a jittery feeling followed by a crash later on. A better approach. Hydrate first. Start your day with a big glass of water, maybe with a squeeze of lemon. This rehydrates your body after a long night's sleep and gently wakes up your digestive system. Save your coffee for after you've had a balanced breakfast. You'll still get the energy boost, but without the potential digestive upset. Speaking of breakfast, skipping it is one of the biggest mistakes you can make. Your body has been fasting all night and it needs fuel to get going. Skipping breakfast can mess with your blood sugar levels, leading to low energy, irritability, and brain fog. It can also make you more likely to overeat later in the day. Think of your body like a car you wouldn't start a long drive with an empty tank of gas, would you? So, make time for a nutritious breakfast. Doesn't have to be complicated. A bowl of oatmeal with berries, some yogurt with nuts, or a couple of eggs are all fantastic options. A balanced breakfast should include protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates to provide steady, long-lasting energy. Another common morning misstep is staying indoors. We wake up, get ready, and spend the entire morning inside our homes. But we're missing out on a huge health benefit: natural sunlight. Exposure to morning sunlight helps to regulate your body's internal clock or circadian rhythm. This tells your body it's time to be awake and alert. It also triggers the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that improves mood and focus. Just 10 to 15 minutes of morning sun can make a world of difference. Open your curtains as soon as you wake up. Better yet, step outside. Enjoy your glass of water or do some light stretches on your porch or balcony. It's a simple, free, and incredibly effective way to boost your energy and your mood. Let's talk about how you get ready. So many of us rush through our morning routine, a quick shower, getting dressed in a hurry, all while our minds are racing about the day ahead. This creates a stressful, frantic start. Your morning routine shouldn't be a race. It should be a ritual. It's a chance to take care of yourself and ease into the day. Try to slow down. Be mindful. Feel the warm water in the shower. Pay attention to the simple act of brewing your tea. Put on some calming music. By turning your routine into a mindful practice, you reduce stress hormones and cultivate a sense of calm and control that can carry you through the rest of your day. Preparing your clothes and anything else you need the night before can also free up time and reduce morning pressure. Let's quickly recap these morning game changers. 1. Ditch the snooze button and get right out of bed. 2. Sit on the edge of your bed for a minute before standing up to prevent dizziness. 3. Delay checking your phone to give your mind a peaceful start. 4. Drink a glass of water before your coffee to hydrate and protect your stomach. 5. Never skip a balanced, protein-rich breakfast to fuel your body and brain. 6. Get a dose of natural morning sunlight to regulate your body clock and lift your mood. And 7. Slow down and turn your morning routine into a mindful, calming ritual. Making these changes might seem small, but their cumulative effect is huge. It's about shifting from a reactive, chaotic morning to a proactive, intentional one. It's about respecting your body's needs as you age and giving yourself the best possible foundation for a vibrant, healthy, and happy day. You have the power to transform your mornings and, in turn, transform your life. Start with just 1 or 2 of these tips. See how you feel. You might be amazed at the difference a better morning can make. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content on healthy aging and living your best life. We'd love to hear from you in the comments what S1 morning habit you're going to try to change. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next video.